If you're new to HX Stomp, Helix, or even Helix Stadium, I'm going to walk you through what you need to do in order to load a preset that you have purchased or downloaded from the internet onto your device. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the latest HX Edit downloaded to your computer. You do that on the Line 6 website. Also, make sure that your device is updated to the latest firmware. And that way, whatever features are on the presets that you are downloading will be available on your unit. Sometimes if your unit isn't up to date, it will still import the preset. It'll just be lacking some of the features because those were not available on older firmwares. So first thing we're going to do is I've already got the folder on my computer, and these are the presets that are available in it. And I'm just going to drag I'll just drag one. We'll start with this one here up top. I'm just going to drag it over and let's say yes. And it's going to fill it out. So you can see that. The other way you can do it is you select the slot that you want it to go into, and then you import. And so on Mac, that's going to be Command I. I'm going to guess on a PC, it might be Control I. And then I'm going to look for that same, see if I can, nope. Look for that same folder. And I'll do the next one, open. Yes. So now you can see that one's here. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.